Struggling to find the whiteboard in Webex? Stop clicking around. I'll show you exactly where it is so you can start collaborating in seconds. It's one of those features that feels like it should be obvious, but instead, you end up hunting through menus while your team waits. We've all been there. By the end of this video, you'll be able to launch a whiteboard and start drawing in just a few clicks. First, sign in and join a meeting. Then, I'll walk you through the 3 clicks to launch the whiteboard and get your team drawing together. Let's get into it. Start with the basics. Sign in. Open up your Webex app or go to the website and log into your account. Doesn't matter if you're using the desktop app or the browser version. The steps are the same. Just get yourself signed in so you're ready to go. Once signed in, get into a meeting. You can start an instant meeting with yourself to test this out, or just join one that's already on your calendar. Either way, you need to be inside an active meeting to see the controls we're about to use. Now, look at the bottom of your meeting window. See that row of controls? What we need is the one that looks like 3 little dots. That's the More Options button. Go ahead and click that. And here's the thing. Sometimes it's easy to miss because it's tucked away next to the other buttons, like Mute and Share Screen. But once you click it, a small menu pops up. Give it a moment to appear. It opens pretty quickly, but don't worry if it takes a second. That menu is where all the extra tools live. Here's the key action. Find the option that says Start a New Whiteboard. Click that. That's it. I've tested this across a few different versions of Webex, and it's always right there in that menu. You don't need to dig any deeper. It loads automatically. The whiteboard will open right up in your meeting window. You'll see a blank canvas appear, ready for you to start. This might take a moment to process, depending on your connection, but typically it's almost instant. Now, you can start creating. On the left side of the whiteboard, you'll see a toolbar with drawing tools. You've got a pen for freehand drawing, a highlighter, and a shapes tool for squares, circles, and arrows. There's also a text tool if you want to type out ideas. Just click the tool you want and start writing or drawing on the canvas. If you make a mistake, there's an eraser tool and an undo button at the top. Go ahead and experiment. Nothing you do here is permanent until you save it. See the invite button at the top of the whiteboard? Click that, and you can send a notification to everyone in the meeting. They'll get a prompt asking if they want to join the whiteboard. Once they accept, they can draw and type right alongside you in real time. It's perfect for brainstorming, sketching out diagrams, or mapping out a process together. And here's a tip. If someone's not seeing the whiteboard yet, ask them to check their meeting controls and look for the whiteboard icon. Sometimes it hides behind that More Options menu for them too. Keep collaborating as needed. You can leave the whiteboard open for the whole meeting. Switch back to your shared screen or your video feed, and the whiteboard stays live in the background. Everyone can keep editing it whenever they want. No need to keep clicking around to get back to it. When done, wrap it up. When your brainstorming session is over, click the X or the close button on the whiteboard. Webex will ask if you want to save it. I'd recommend always hitting save. Give it a name that makes sense, like Q3 planning or wireframe ideas. That way, you can pull it up in future meetings or share it with folks who couldn't make it. That's it, you're set. Your new whiteboard is now ready for collaboration during the meeting. No more hunting through menus or wasting time. Just 3 quick clicks and you're drawing together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.